This is the Illinois Route 84 grade crossing located on the UP Geneva Sub near Fulton, Illinois. Here we have two newer Siemens signals, each with LED lights and each with an E Bell. There's nobody looking north. You can look here at the southern signal. Crossbuck and track sign are both from NEG. Lights, we got 12 by 24 inch second gen WTF LEDs and Safetran frames. Got an NEG E Bell on the side. Got a single-sided Safetran base, which is surprisingly facing forward, and is also on a concrete foundation, which is unusual for newer UP installs. Side view of the lights with the Safetran Junction Box. We got a Siemens gate mechanism, sticker style 2 as I refer to it. And you can see the gate saver is an older NEG two-way gate saver. Back view of the lights. This gate has a newer striping with 4-inch Ricoh or NEG LEDs. These are placed NEG clear LEDs recently. Here's the dot tag. Dot number is 175216P. Here's a back view of the southern signal. Here's the relay bungalow in the southeast quadrant. Grade here is all concrete. Track view facing west towards the Mississippi River is just around the corner there. You can see Dakin Road down there, which has new signals, which I'll get to here in a little bit. And track view facing east towards Morrison, Rochelle, and eventually Chicago. So these signals were installed in 2015 or 2016, and they replaced a pair of older Safetran signals that had 12 by 24 inch lights with a GS Type 2 E Bell. And the main reason I'm doing this tour today is because if you noticed, there is conduit all around here. This is not something I was expecting to see today. I think there's a lot of conduit around here on all four sides of the crossing. Now, I mean, UP has replaced newer Siemens or Safetran signals before, and it's like, okay, it had an older C&W bungalow relay case. However, this one actually has a newer PT&W relay bungalow. So, this is a real oddball to see. I'm guessing, I don't know if UP is actually going to be replacing the signals, or if maybe they're installing wayside signals next to this crossing soon. I honestly don't know what the fuck's going on here, but this is really unusual to see. And I was on my way down to Dakin Road down there because I knew they installed new signals there. And I figured that's all I was going to document out here. But apparently, there's more stuff going on out here real soon. Well, I say real soon. I mean, some crossings near Morrison have had conduit for 2 years now, and nothing's happened to them since then. But yeah, looks like stuff's going to be happening here real soon. In the next couple of years. See a little piece of conduit sticking out there. I mean, this was all installed very recently. I did not recall seeing this. I did not expect to see any work going on at this crossing, since this already had newer Safetran Siemens signals with a newer bungalow. So I figured this crossing was safe, but apparently not. But anyways, here's nobody now looking south. We can look here at the northern signal. This one also has a NEG crossbuck and track sign. Front lights on this one are GE dotted LEDs and Safetran frames. Got another NEG E Bell. This one has a single-sided Siemens base, also on a concrete foundation, and is also facing forward for some reason. Again, UP likes to normally place them facing sideways. Side view of the lights with a Safetran Junction Box. Got another Siemens sticker style 2 gate mechanism. And you can see this also has an older NEG two-way gate saver. Backlights, we got one G dotted LED and one second gen WCH LED. And then this gate also has a newer striping with 4-inch Ricoh or NEG LEDs. Ricoh. These also replaced NEG clear LEDs on the same gate. Not sure why UP replaced those, but a little weird to see. And back view of the northern signal. So I will definitely keep tabs on this crossing to see what the heck is going on here. Again, my guess is they're probably going to install new wayside signals here. I don't know if they're going to replace the signals or not, because this crossing was not listed in the ICC docket. So I don't know what's going on here exactly. But I will definitely keep tabs on this crossing over the next couple of years and see what the heck happens out here. So anyways, this has been the Route 84 grade crossing.